I'm going to show you how to fold this box. The origin of these boxes is unknown. They were made popular by the Japanese folder Kunio Ekiguchi and in later years by Philip Chapman Bell. Okay, let's start. To make this model you need a circle. In case you don't know, you can use a dish and an X-Acto knife and cut the circle that you need. Okay, the first step will be to fold the circle in half. This. And let's suppose we're working with the white side up in case you are using dual color paper. Okay, this is the crease we just made as a valley fold. And the next step is turn the paper 90 degrees and join the end of the previous crease with the other end. And crease, and now you have this other crease here. Now the paper is divided in 4 equal areas. We need to divide those areas in half again. Like this, you make coincide one of the previous creases that we've made with the other side. Same on this side, and then crease and turn the paper and crease again. With doing so, we'll have 8 equal areas. Now you continue dividing those areas in half again, taking into account those references, and you obtain 16 divisions, and then you need to divide those in half again until you have 32 divisions. Then you take one of those creases that go from one edge to the other of the circle and divide this area in 3. You can use the simple method of bringing them one to one side and the other one to the other side, like this. And you crease only in between the 2 adjacent radiuses next to the crease that we are using as a reference. You see, in between these 2 radiuses here, like this. So you crease here, a valley fold, and then you bring the other end of the crease up to the mark we just made and make another crease here. And you continue around until you obtain what is called an hexadecagon. That is a polygon with 16 sides. Like I'm going to show you here. You use the same method for every side, and the next step is to fold the end of the edge to the middle of that crease that we already did. You have here a mark you can use to join it with the center of that crease there, like this. And again, you crease only in between the 2 radiuses, here and here. And you go around. So far, all the creases we've done have been valleys. Okay, now we need some mountains, and the first one needs to go here. This is the point, the higher point of the side of this dodecagon. We need to make a perpendicular crease here in mountain. To make that, you turn the paper over, you find the reference, and you use this edge here and you fold it over itself, and the point is here, right at the edge of the inner dodecagon, and the crease has to go only to the other dodecagon. It doesn't go up to the edge, just here. And you do the same with the next side and the next side, and you know, you understand the idea. So these are mountain folds. And as I said before, you repeat all the way around. And now we originally had this radius here that goes from the center to the edge, and this is a valley fold, and now this mountain fold that we just did, and now we join them with another mountain fold like this. And of course you repeat that again 15 more times, and that's how you do all the creases. Now to put the box together, you just turn it to the color side, and you start by collapsing over those creases we just made, and we make some like the walls of the box are perpendicular to the base. Okay, once you put them all together, you start folding through all the layers over the creases we have already done. It stays together very nicely, and here comes my favorite part. You just press in here and the box pops down and stays closed. Sometimes it doesn't stay closed. All you need to do is to reinforce those creases here on the side while holding this part down, and it should work, and you should have your box ready. If you are too lazy to find all those references, what you can do is you print the CP, that is, the address is on the caption of this video, and you don't fold the green creases. They are just for reference. You just fold as I just showed you. The inner hexadecagon in valley, the outer hexadecagon in valley again. The creases that are straight from one of the corners of the side of the inner hexadecagon to the edge are valleys, like this, and the other one is mountain, both parts of the crease, like this one that goes straight and this one that turns here, and you collapse it again as I showed you before. This one turns to the other side of the first one that I showed you, but it's the same process. First you erect all those walls, and once you have them up, you just start folding down, and you press it and it pops shut. There it is. Now I need to reinforce this one while holding the center, and the box should remain closed now. I hope you enjoyed, and if you fold it, please leave a comment and maybe an address to find your picture. Thanks for watching.